Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Begoña San
Hi,
Pedro.
how are you? I'm Begoña San Pedro, one of the founding partners of Madreamiga. Madreamiga emerged from La Miguiña, a small bakery we opened 10 years ago with the goal of making an exquisite artisanal product in Madrid, and we've since evolved to Madreamiga. At Madreamiga, we want to ensure we make the same product we had at La Miguiña on a large scale. That's why we're creating a modern image on our bakery, where you will see our product stand out like a gem. Every day, we treat it like the jewel it really is. You can see the product, touch it, smell it. Our idea of growth is one where Madrid continues to offer top quality bread and you can choose from great bakeries. What's so special about this bread by Madreamiga? The details matter to us. From the flour, we use stone ground, chemical-free flours, right to the end product. We take the flour and knead it with our sourdough that we make ourselves. We mix it with water, salt, and the sourdough. We leave it to ferment for 24 hours in an extremely important process for us to ensure the quality of the bread. Then we bake it in our stone oven. We have a wide range of products for hospitality clients as well as walk-in customers, but we're specialists in the brioche bun and seeded bread. Brioche is a very soft bread. To make it, we use a really good butter, a mixture of flours and potato so it stays fresher for longer. And then we bake it in our stone oven to ensure it doesn't dry out. We have seeded bread made with a mixture of rye and wheat flour, in addition to seeds that we toast to provide more flavor and scent, and 80 to 85% hydration, which makes a juicy, moist crumb and gives it a really crunchy crust. At Madreamiga, we choose GPG ovens with thermal oil because we look for a consistent baking that maintains that quality we had in our small bakery. At the end, when producing on a large scale, you don't have as much control, and these ovens ensure all our product is baked the same: top, bottom, in the middle, and at the back. Thermal oil achieves the consistency we seek in each product so that our customers know that all our products have this quality. This year was the first year we baked our roscón, our famous king cake at Madreamiga, and we did it using the static oven. We achieved extremely consistent baking, something that was hugely important to me, as well as baking without having to wait between removing and positioning racks, as the thermal oil doesn't let the temperature drop while transitioning. All our bread is baked in the static refract stone oven to achieve caramelization, perfect crust, and the ideal base. That way, our bread stays fresher for longer. In addition, we choose the multi-door option and automatic loading in this oven. This means we don't have to open the door every time we want to bake, which makes the loading process easy and simple, requiring no effort from the operator. We went for an installation with the Plus boiler as we expect to expand our premises in a few years, and this will offer us significant energy savings. I can still remember the first day we came to this bakery and we baked our first bread on the oven, and these tremendous loaves came out. That's when we realized just how good this oven is.